Breaking report confirms that British heavyweight boxing champion Anthony Joshua was involved in a road traffic accident, with 2 people reportedly losing their lives in the incident. This tragic development has sparked widespread reactions across the sport and global community. Our hearts goes out to the families of the deceased during this incredible, difficult time. We wish Anthony Joshua a speed and full recovery. Here are some pictures and video clips of the incident.
Just enter motor less, yeah? Make them take you out of here.